In front of me is CUBOT King Kong 6, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then you need to tap on one of those themes, like for example this one. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. To customize it though, click on the same icon and use this plus under my themes. Then tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move and select next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and tap on apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!